Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, I want to do a what's in my bag of one of my newest babies to my collection, my Balenciaga City Bag. So if you guys are interested in hearing more information about the bag as well as seeing what can fit inside of my Balenciaga City Bag, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and don't forget to drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started with today's video, I did want to address today's look. So my hair is in a day 3 twist out that I actually recorded. It was my perfect, what was it? It was my defined twist out using a mousse, my last video that I uploaded in 2021. So I'll link that up above and down below in case you guys are interested. My makeup, I did my same lashes that I've been wearing from the Black owned business, which I will link down below. My earrings, I actually have on 2 pairs of earrings. I have on my safety pin drop Vivian earrings, and then the stud in my second hole just gives a little look. I told you guys in my winter collective haul that when I pair these two together, it's gonna be a look. Okay, my lippy, I have on 2 lip glosses from the Lip Bar. I don't remember the names of them. I'll link them down below. And then my top, I have on this purple turtleneck mesh top from Affirm, AFRM. I will have it linked down below if it's still available. If not, I'll just put the website, because they have tons of like these mesh tops, which I actually love. They look so good, they fit so well. I have on a size small, and then I have on my Skims bra underneath, just to, you know, keep it conservative for the girls. But that's it for today's look. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. So in case you guys did not watch my unboxing my Christmas gift video in Vlogmas, I'll link that up above and down below. But I gifted myself a new bag for Christmas because I just felt like I deserved, right? I worked so hard, I went so hard in 2021. I accomplished so many things, and I was like, I need to close off the year by getting myself a bag, because if you know me, if you know Kendra, if you know Kensthetic, you know that I love a bag. This is a Balenciaga Nano City Bag, and I did purchase it on sale. All details can be found in that unboxing video, but she is so freaking cute, and she goes on my top. Okay, that's why I put it on low key. So if you guys want to skip forward to just see what's in my bag, then I'll put the timestamp here on the screen. But I did want to speak to you guys more about the bag, about the sizing of the bags, because I was a little confused at first. So I was just like, let me go ahead and give y'all a rundown. So if you guys are interested in getting yourself a Balenciaga City Bag, then y'all know the rundown. So I believe the Balenciaga City Bag comes in 4 different sizes. As I mentioned, my bag is the Nano, which I believe is the smallest size. There's a mini, a small, and then a classic. I'll go ahead and put a visual representation of the different sizes here so you guys can see. But when I got this bag, I knew that I wanted it to be very small, because I have been steering away from bigger bags, because when I have bigger bags, I think that I can carry everything that the bigger bag could hold, and it's like, no baby, you do not need to be walking around with 10 pounds worth of belongings in your bag. Keep it cute, keep it simple, keep it straight to the point. So that's exactly what I did. So when I got this bag, I was like, I want a pink bag. I do not have it's hard to believe, but I did not have a pink bag in my luxury handbag collection before getting this one. So, and she was on sale, I was like, yeah, she needs to come home to me. So this is a bag. As you guys can see, it has this zip compartment in the front, and actually I don't even know, this bag is so small that I could probably only fit like the key to my PO box up here. Okay, you can't really hold anything, but I love the strap details on this bag. It just gives the bag like a nice flavor, a nice little, you know, touch. Love the handles, like this knit detailing of like the leather on the handles, and it has this zip across the top of the bag, which I love. It can be worn as a top handle bag or a crossbody, because it does have a crossbody strap. And I actually tried this bag on with a ton of outfits. I don't know if it's just me, but when I get a new bag or I get a new shoe, I have to try it on with stuff in my closet just to make sure that I made the right purchase. And when I tried this on with so many different things, I'm like, yeah, I plan on wearing this bag on vacation. I plan on wearing this bag with like spring and summer outfits. I don't know if I would really bring her out in like the colder like winter months just because of the color, but we'll see if I decide to, you know, add a little pop of color to my outfit or whatever. But for the most part, this is going to be my spring and summer baby. Also, I wanted to mention that you can remove the crossbody strap. So if you ever want to wear the bag as like a top handle bag and you don't want like this long strap, you can go ahead and just unclasp these things here and you can just have the bag itself. So love that. But let's go ahead and get into what I have in my bag. So as I mentioned, this is a nano bag, so it can't really hold too much, but at the same time it can hold exactly what I needed to hold, nothing more, nothing less, right? So let's go ahead and get into the contents. So the first thing that I have in my bag is my iPhone 12. This bag can fit an iPhone 12. If your phone is bigger than an iPhone 12, then I'm honestly not sure if it could fit in the bag because this phone is just making a cut. I have my hand sanitizer in my bag because y'all know what's going on right now. Y'all know the vibes. So I always have to have my hand sanitizer on me. This one is actually running low, so she needs to be refilled, but don't watch that. The next thing that I have in my bag is a mask. I usually leave the house with like a mask on or a mask in my pocket. So the one in my bag is usually just like a backup. But these are the masks that I like using. I get these from Amazon. I'll link them down below. These are them. I don't find that these break me out. The blue ones, baby, as soon as my face smells that that's coming close, break out. So I don't use the usual like blue medical masks. I like these, the black ones with the soft strings, the white on the inside. It don't be shedding or none of that the blue one be doing. So just do yourself a favor, click that link down below and get these. I think they come in like a pack of 100, so it takes me a while to get through them, but I have like 3 backed up because y'all know the cases is rising and I don't need the girls to go ahead and order all of them and then there's none left for me. Your girl has 3 in her backstash. And then the next thing I have in my bag is my wallet. So you guys probably saw in that same Christmas gift unboxing that I got this red Bottega wallet. So it has all of my goodies in here, everything that I need. I'm not gonna show y'all, but it has everything in this wallet. It's nice, it's small, it's compact. And also I can go ahead in this little flap right here. Guess what I have? Because I'll be telling y'all that I need to carry these all the time. I have my business cards, so I can go ahead and hand them out when I have like conversations with people and I need to promote myself. Okay, real cute. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? The information is a little outdated, but I'm gonna update my business cards after I finish these. And I also wanted to do like a business card QR code, so I'll probably do that next because if you think about it, like everything is so digital now and I'm just like, why pay money to print business cards when I can just have a QR code? It doesn't matter how many I have printed out, I'm never going to run out because it's a QR code. So if you're a business owner, if you're a content creator and you're looking into like creating business cards, definitely see if you can do it to set it up to, well, it's possible, but I would just recommend to do the business card where you can just do the QR code, so when you're speaking to somebody you can just be like da da da, have them scan, and that's it. So yeah. And the last thing that I have in my bag are my keys. So I have my keys and then I have my little piece of protection on it, thanks to she. But yeah, I need my keys because I have to get into my house and I have to lock the door when I leave. So that's basically everything that can fit inside of my Nano Balenciaga City Bag. In the bag there's also like this little compartment here. Let me see if I can show y'all. There's this little compartment here where you can like put your cards and stuff, so in case you have like a bigger wallet or you just want to carry your debit card and your ID, which is usually what I do when I go out. I don't like to carry my whole wallet. I can just go ahead and slip those cards into this little compartment, so every time I have to look for it I know exactly where it is, which I love. So that's everything that I carry in my bag, everything that my Balenciaga Nano City Bag holds. Comment down below and let me know what are some items that you have to have in your bag. Like when you leave the house, you know that you cannot leave the house unless you have blank in your bag. Comment down below and let me know. I also would usually have a lip gloss in my bag, but it depends on what lip gloss when I'm carrying this bag. I told you guys in my unboxing, like I can fit a lip gloss depending on what it is. If it's like a Fenty Beauty gloss bomb, baby, that has to stay home because y'all know that tube is very tubey. But if it's like a little lip balm, like my little Fresh Beauty lip balms, I could go ahead and bring that, or my Laneige lip balm that could fit in here. So it just depends on what lippy I am wearing that day. But comment down below, let me know what's in your bag. Let me know what you guys think of this bag. Is this bag something on your wish list? The Balenciaga City bag. What color y'all looking at? What print y'all looking at? Because I know they got the croc, the snake, the this, the that. They got everything in the jungle, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your bell notifications. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Love you.